Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to turn off the Discover feature on Google and why you might want to do that. If you're someone who prefers a more streamlined, private, or distraction-free experience while browsing, this feature might not be for you. So let's dive right in. Before we disable it, let's quickly talk about what Google Discover is. Google Discover is a feed that appears on the homepage of the Google app or mobile browser. It shows you content that Google thinks you will find interesting based on your search history, location, and other activity across Google services. It can be helpful to find news and updates, but for some, it can feel like an unwanted distraction or even an invasion of privacy. Now let's get to the steps to turn it off. It's pretty simple and can be done in just a few steps. Here's how to do it. Open the Google app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the app. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap Other Settings. Scroll down and find the Discover option. Toggle off the switch next to Discover to disable the feature. That's it. Now you won't see personalized content or news on your Google homepage anymore. And that's how you turn off Google Discover. It's a simple process that can help give you a more streamlined and private browsing experience. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.